Good morning, good morning. It's JB at 123. Mr. Better channel. I need to replace my batteries on my 718 Boxster Porsche. So let's do that. Here's the key. There's two keys, one here and one here. I'll have to replace both batteries. I'm a bit disappointed because before I received the car, the dealer was supposed to replace these batteries, and all of a sudden they're dead. The dash, each time I place the battery in the ignition, it tells me that I have to replace the little battery. So let's do that. I don't know if the camera is going to capture what I'm doing. Let's see. Let's try and see. So to open these, don't look at my stomach, I'm working on it. Have that little tab here. Let's bring my abat-jour closer. I'm trying to make sure I have enough light here so you can see it. To believe it, you gotta slide that over like this. And you have to put your nail in there to remove it, so it's quite easy. The key comes out the old style. So you use this key when everything's dead. When this is dead, when your car battery is dead, you can get in, you use this. Now you have to remove the capinha. You shove that in there and you turn. See? That goes in there, there. Okay. Okay. The old battery, you fart it out. There. Now you gotta get one of these and shove it in there. You have to make sure it's on the right polarity. It was like this, or was it like this? Anyways, because yeah, it's a C. It's a C. 2032. Yeah. Beep, this goes back on. There. And then ta-da-ta-dum. It's done. Okay? Easy. Old battery. Garbage. Let's do it again. Tabby here, you pull towards here, towards you. Pull the tab towards you. You put nail here and here, and you pull tabby towards you, and key comes out. Use the key as a tool to remove the top, and there's the battery, and that's it. Put new battery, put cover, put key back in hole, in keyhole, but not this way, this way. See? Yeah. There you go. Press button to test. Press button to test. See? I have to go downstairs and check, make sure I didn't unlock my car. Anyways, that's it. That's how you replace the battery on your key fob, and it's very similar for any car key or car key battery or fob. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3 on any type of any brand of car, actually. Don't take your keys to the dealer to replace that. They're gonna charge you an arm and a leg.